What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys my framework of creating a bulletproof meal plate that got me lean and sexy as shit. But before that, let's finish cooking our food. We got boom, 300 grams of bomba clot lamb. Add some water in before the fire alarm goes off. We're gonna make a lamb stew today. So we got, check this out, 300 grams of lamb leg, 300 grams of cooked beans, a little pepper in here, a little honey, oof, for that sweetness. Mwah. Soy sauce action. Boom. Chop some cabbage. I got 300 grams here. This method is 300 grams of protein, 300 grams of fiber, and 300 grams of carbs. This is the bulletproof method that's gonna get you lean as shit. I was thinking I'm gonna wash this, but since this is the only sif we got, I'm just gonna dunk this bad boy in, bruh. Get in there. Come on, a little glyphosate and herbicide's not gonna kill me. Got this bean over here. Gonna make a salad out of this. Gonna be so fucking good, bro. Mexicano inspired. Shout out to my border hopping people. Kidding, left my Mexican. All right, guys. I totally did not forget to press record, but check this out, yeah. We got beans, a little bit of honey in there, a little bit of chili powder in there for that brightness, lemon for the acidity, some corns. Bro, I can't find the kernels. I don't know why, they're gone, bro. It's extinct now. And a little bit of that sauerkraut for that probiotics. And boom, you got this nasty, delicious bean salad. Let's get back to the stew. Okay, I see you've been cooking up. Oof. Look at that motherfucking volume, bro. Bam! There you have it. The delicious succulent meal. Let's dig in. We got the bean salad. So, 333 method is 300 grams of protein. We got lamb. I made it using steaks, pieces, so you feel fuller for longer, because you have to chew. Nowadays, bro, we don't even eat chewy foods anymore. Gen Z don't eat chewy foods, bro, I swear. That's why our jaws are weak. And I added in water. 0 calories, keeps me full forever. Added with 300 grams of fiber, which is cabbage, fills me up forever. So it's already a fat shredding monster. We got protein, we got fiber, we got water. But to make this a complete setup for an athlete, 300 grams of cooked carbs, or in this case, 100 grams of dried beans. Bean starch, it expands in your belly. Getting that carbohydrate is essential when you're leaning down, when you're trying to build muscle, because if you can't perform in the gym when you're leaning down, your physique is gonna look softer, I'm telling you. But let's dig in, fucking hungry. Umami. Try the lamb. Beautiful. Now that you guys grasp this method, let me show you guys how to actually implement this into your life. All right, so here's what the 333 method is. It's 300 grams of lean protein, 300 grams of carbs, and 300 grams of fiber. Talk to you guys about it, but here's how you can apply this to your life. The principle applies to every single thing. For protein, you can either pick 300 gram minced beef, or steak, or lamb, or chicken thigh, or breast, or seafood. It's a plug and play system. You can basically just, instead of beef, do lamb. Instead of lamb, do chicken breast, thigh, whatever. The point is, you want to go on the leaner side, because if we go high fat, we go low carb. If we go higher carb, we go lower fat. Better digestion, less brain fog, and you just perform better. 300 grams of carbs instead of just rice or just potatoes. We can do either rice noodles, but this is dried, so you do 100 grams. So 300 grams of the carb is the cooked version. Usually it's 100 grams of dried, because warm expand. Either do quinoa, potato, rice noodles, oats. This would be good if you do stews or lentil. These are amazing. Forgot to mention, you can also add in beans, like black beans, like I just did, also a starch, and is super high in protein, which is fantastic. Lentils and beans are great. Fiber, keep it simple. No need to complicate, just do one that you can always stick to. For me, it's cabbage. For you guys, it could be cucumber or iceberg lettuce or zucchini. Cabbage is the best because I can either eat it raw or cooked, put it in a stew. If you follow this principle, 10 times out of 10, you're guaranteed going to hit your protein intake of the day. 300 grams protein, that's around 500 calorie, maybe 600 if you're using fattier meat. 100 grams of dried carbs, which is around what, 300 to 400 calorie max. 300 grams of fiber is around 70 calories. So that is in total, papam, around 900 calories for the raw ingredient max. And check this out, I'm not even mentioning about seafood, where we have prawns, cod, barramundi, super low calorie, 80 calorie for 20 grams of protein, but it's more on the expensive side. So let me show you guys how do you implement this bad boy into real life. I split this into two methods. One is high heat, like when you sear it up, like one is water-based. Let's go high heat first. You're gonna do 300 grams of rump steak, 300 grams of potato, and 300 grams of cucumber. This one I add in avocado, but that's just one occasion. And for this one, you can do 300 grams minced beef, 300 grams cooked rice, and 300 grams of cabbage. Stir fry with the beef. I'm telling you, this is so simple, but it's so effective. This one, I have 300 grams of chicken thigh, 300 grams of quinoa, which I don't have here, but usually if you cook up quinoa, it's like a rice, so you make a salad out of it. 300 grams of iceberg lettuce, so this is high heat. You use high heat to cook these kinds of protein, but if we want to push fat loss to the absolute maximum, you do water-based cooking. So for this one, yeah, 300 grams of beef stew, just slice this bad boy up. Bro, look at this noodle, it's absolutely amazing. 100 grams of dried noodle, so super simple, and 300 gram veggie of choice. You can do cabbage, whatever. And the thing about water-based cooking is, right, it's combining the trinity of fat loss. Wait, let me increase the camera. We're applying the trinity of fat loss in here. We got water, 0 calories, keeps you filled forever. We got protein, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but satiating, all that sort. And especially if we go leaner, it's higher on satiety index. And fiber, keeps you full forever. That's the trinity of fat loss. If you eat those, which is these meals that I'm showing you guys here, Jesus Christ, fat loss is so easy. It's not like, oh my God, I'm starving. Never, bro. For this one, 300 grams of lamb leg, 300 grams of potato, and 300 grams of cabbage. This is my most viral video. I think I got like 90K views on this one because it's so effective. It's a stew. You just throw all this shit in, fuck off, come back, 2 hours later, whapam, you got a meal. And for this one, I got 300 grams of chicken breast, 300 grams of iceberg lettuce or cabbage, and 300 grams of rice. And this one's actually a high heat, but normally I would add more soups in, so sipping up all that soup. And check this out, when you're stewing, there's no high heat oxidation, there's no burning the damn meat. The fat loss game is easy once you reduce it down to the basic core. And you are guaranteed going to get minimum 70 grams of protein per 1,000 calories. And that's no protein powder, none of that. No special stuff like Greek yogurt. If you push the limit of doing leaner meat and doing high protein carbs, like let's say quinoa, it's 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, or lentils, 22 grams per 100 grams, or beans. So amazing. I don't want to hear about, oh my God, it's incomplete protein. Bruh, if you're eating 300 grams of meat, the amino acid is going to carry itself anyways. We human have a reservoir of amino acids in our liver, which makes up for it. Super simple, guys. And if you like what you're watching here, you like the shit I have in my community even more, called Eat to Win, where I go deep into the science of how to eat to get lean.
looking handsome and sexy as shit, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.